There's the Ego E-Steer Z6 42-inch dual blade zero turn. Have the paddle switch to this. So this will be the first go with the steering wheel. 6 batteries. Right now we've just got 412s in there, which is funny. And you got the charge port inside there. Your USB charging for your phone down in there. Won't be using that. Tow hook, key, phone holder, on and off, blade. You get your blade adjustment for height, pedal for go and reverse. Got the standard sport control at the bottom. There goes your 4 batteries percentage. And you have your reverse paddle carbon shifters. You put it in turbo boost mode, which is race mode if you hold that down. And then turtle, which is slow. You got your seat adjustment here to pull it back and forth. Armrest. May not use those. They recommend 32 psi on the rear, 7 on the front. There's your clean out port to get the blades and everything washed off from underneath. Oh yeah, you also have headlights high and low at the front if you were to mow at night. That's the Ego E-Steer 42. I'll put a link below for you guys.